If you're getting a Gammon app upload error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get your file uploaded without the frustration. This can happen for a few different reasons, like the file being too large, using an unsupported file type, a browser issue, bad cache data, or even a network problem. So we're going to go through the most effective fixes in the right order, starting with the easiest ones first. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick software tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, check your file size and file type. A lot of upload errors happen because the file is bigger than Gamma allows or because the file extension isn't supported. If you're uploading an image, make sure it's in a common format like JPG or PNG. If the file is too large, try compressing it or exporting it again in a smaller size. If Gamma gives you the option, you can also try uploading the image directly instead of dragging and dropping, or paste in a URL if that's supported for your workflow. That simple change can sometimes get around the upload issue immediately. Next, let's troubleshoot the browser itself. Browser extensions, ad blockers, and privacy tools can interfere with uploads even when everything else looks fine. Temporarily turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions, then try to upload again. If that doesn't work, open Gamma in an Incognito window and test the upload there. Incognito mode disables a lot of stored browser data and extensions by default, which makes it a great way to isolate the problem. If the upload works in Incognito, then the issue is likely caused by one of your browser extensions or settings. You can also try using a completely different browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to see if Gamma behaves better there. Now, if the problem still continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted or outdated browser data can interfere with websites and cause strange upload errors. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies for Gamma or for all browsing data if needed. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, sign back into Gamma, and test the upload again. This often fixes hidden issues that are not obvious at first glance. If you're still stuck, the last thing to check is your network connection. Sometimes the issue isn't Gamma at all. It's your Wi-Fi or local network blocking the upload. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network if you can, or use a mobile hotspot just to test whether the upload goes through. This helps you find out if your current network has restrictions, firewall rules, or connection problems that are preventing Gamma from sending the file properly. If the file uploads on a hotspot but not on your normal network, then you know the issue is network related and not with Gamma or your browser. So to quickly recap, check the file size and type, try direct upload or a URL for images, disable ad blockers and extensions, test in Incognito or another browser, clear cache and cookies, and finally switch networks if needed. Following these steps in order solves most Gamma app upload errors without wasting time. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.